Welcome to my floor plan, the Erica A. It's a 5-bed, 5-bath home, 3,587 square feet, a wonderful open concept floor plan built with entertainment in mind and a lot of extra space for gathering. Come check it out. Check out this Murphy Signature Home store. It lets in so much natural light, which is perfect because this amazing home has so much natural light to offer. Check out these awesome cabinets. Custom cabinetry is a standard that you can expect with any Murphy Signature home. And this white oak is just to die for. Look at how much storage you have. Who doesn't want floor to ceiling storage and even storage under the bar? At Murphy Signature Homes, we offer a wide range of appliance packages to fit whatever your chef-inspired dreams are. As promised, there's so much entertaining space. There are 2 downstairs living spaces, one here and one over here, both that have access to the outside, so indoor-outdoor living is certainly an option. Check out these awesome sliding glass doors. Leads you outside to this amazing patio with a stained tug and groove ceiling and an outdoor grill for your party or just your family. Welcome to your own oasis with double vanities and an oversized tub, perfect for relaxation. To add an additional modern flair, we offer these upgraded metal railings. Let's go upstairs and take a look at the rest of the house. Welcome upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms with 3 ensuite bathrooms, and check out this bonus room. Our clients are loving this space because they can do whatever they want with it. It can be an office, a study, a bunk room, a game room, an extra living room, whatever you want it to be. Check out these sliding glass doors. We brought them upstairs as well to bring in the natural light into this awesome game room and also to give you the indoor-outdoor living experience. Thank you for checking out this Erica A plan with me today. For more information and to start building your dream home, go to murphysignaturehomes.com.